In the previous videos, we saw how to create, train and test a custom vision model to recognize planets in images. And we saw how to call that custom vision model from some Python code. Now that we have everything working, we can use our custom vision model to play our Rummy Vision game. On the AI Gaming website, make sure you are logged in and go to the online code editor. From the Game Type option, select the Rummy Vision game. Then, from the Game Style drop-down, select one of the game styles that is labelled as Planets. Here, I can see two different game styles that play with planet images, but this may vary in your event. Just make sure you select one of the options that has planets in it. Finally, with the correct game type and game style selected, you can create a new file. Clicking the New File button shows a list of code templates for you to use. You need to select the Microsoft Custom Vision API template. Enter a name for your new file and click Yes. This loads a template file that contains all of the basic code to play the Rummy Vision game using a custom vision model. In order for the code to run, you need to link it to your custom vision model using the prediction URL and key. Go back to the customvision.ai site, log in and select your Planets project. From the Performance tab, select the latest published iteration and click on the prediction URL option. Then, copy the URL and the prediction key from the section titled If you have an image URL. Return to the AI Gaming online code editor and paste the prediction URL where it asks for your Microsoft Custom Vision prediction URL. And paste the prediction key where it says your Microsoft Custom Vision prediction key. This is enough to link your custom vision model to the code. Click the Run button at the top right of the editor window and your code will now play a complete game of Rummy Vision. As the game plays, we print out some of the information from our code. You can see that we are printing what your custom vision model has identified each image as. Before you close the game board, let's check to see if our prediction results match the images. If you hover over the images on the game board, you see their card number and subject. We can see here that this card is card number 11 and the image is of Venus. If we look at our output for card number 11, we can see that our custom vision model returned the correct label of Venus for card number 11. Great. If we look at another card, it's card number 17 and it's Jupiter. But if we find card number 17 in our output, we can see that our custom vision model thought that this image was also Venus. If we try one more card, card number 29, it's Pluto. And if we find it in our output, we can see that our computer vision model got this one right and thought that this was Pluto. Our custom vision model isn't perfect, but then we've only trained it with 5 images for each planet. Training the custom vision model with more images will improve its accuracy and improve your chances of playing a better game. You've now been able to use an AI image classification service that you trained yourself to recognize the images in this card game. Next, you should look at improving how well your code plays the game to give you the best chance of beating other players. You have 2 options. You can either train your custom vision model with more images and labels for each planet. Adding more images will improve how accurately your Rummy Vision code will recognize the planets on the cards. Or, your second option, you can improve the simple game-playing code template that we have given you here. This template code just makes random moves. Consider adding some code to identify which sets the cards in your hand can make, rather than just leaving it to make moves randomly. Improving the accuracy of your custom vision model will give you the quickest gains, so I highly recommend searching for more images of planets and using them to improve the training of your model. Even the best game-playing strategy is not going to get very far if you can't recognize the images on the cards. That's it for this video. You now have all the basics to use a custom vision model to play the Rummy Vision game. Thanks for watching this video. There are more in this series, so please make sure to check them out.